Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Montana and this is my beauty and fashion channel. Really, it's supposed to be more fashion, but lately I've been doing a ton of beauty just because I've been really into makeup and I've really been loving some of the newer products I've been testing out, and I've been feeling very glowy and natural, and I really wanted to share with you guys my tips and tricks and just how I look this way, because I really like it and I feel so pretty all the time every time I wear this makeup look. So today I wanted to show you guys how I get this look here with just 11 products, and I say 11 because I also use primer and powder and the essentials, so it's really not that many products, but this is just for after the beach when you just want to throw in some makeup but you don't want it to be cakey and you don't really have a lot of time and you're doing your makeup in the car or something. So I just thought that you guys would be interested in this since it's June and summer is finally here. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to be starting out with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. While I'm letting that set, I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 10, and I'm just going to put a tad bit of that under my eyes just to brighten my eyes up. Now that last step, you don't have to do it. You can really conceal whatever part of your face you want to, or if you want, you can put foundation on. I'm not going to be putting foundation on, but yeah, you can conceal any blemishes that you have. I just like to conceal under my eyes just because my eyes are a little dark underneath, so I do that. And then I'm going to take my RC May powder on my sponge. This is an e.l.f. sponge, and I just want to set that, and then I'm going to set my eyes a little bit with the excess powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion in the color 902 Light Glow. And what I really like about this is that it really makes me very glowy. I actually just put it on like regular lotion, and it just makes me look sun-kissed. So the only issue with, this is why I don't cover up too many of my blemishes, just because I don't like putting liquid over something I already set. I feel like that, I don't know, can make it look cakey. So I don't really put it heavy under my eyes at all. This is actually why I don't put on foundation, because I feel like in the summer when you're out in the sun, especially after the beach, you don't really want to wear a ton of makeup because your skin looks very sun-kissed and glowy as it is. And if you have freckles, which I have a ton of freckles, my freckles come out, so I like to keep them showing through. I do wear my foundation often in the summer. My Makeup Revolution one, I did a video on that. But yeah, this is all that I do for my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M504 brush. It's a really big fluffy brush, and why I use this one is because it makes it quick and easy. And I just take my bronzer here and I go in. And this is actually my Anastasia Beverly Hills Rosewood Powder Bronzer, and I just put that all in my crease. After I put the bronzer in my crease, I take a little bit on a MAC brush. This is my MAC 221, and I put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with my Gimme Brow by Benefit and shade 3. And I'm just gonna fluff up my eyebrows, and I'm gonna get that started because I don't like to draw on my brows with the pencil while this is still wet. Next, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, which is a highlighter in the color Smoke and Whistles, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna take this brush here that I usually use to do my inner corner. I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus. You don't have to, but I like to. And I'm gonna apply this on my lid and my inner corner. And I actually like to go a little bit like above my my crease line, just because I think it opens my eyes up more. Next, I'm going to go in and curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit mascara. Next, I'm going to go in and fill in my eyebrows with the NYX Professional Makeup eyebrow powder pencil in the color Taupe. And I just like lightly fill them in and kind of like shape them a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to take that same bronzer that I used for my eyes, and I'm going to kind of like contour. Next, I'm going to go in with my Becca blush in the color Foxglove. It's that absolutely gorgeous color, and I know it seems intimidating, but it actually looks so good on. And finally, I'm going to be putting that same highlight color that I used on my lids, and I'm going to be using that to highlight. Last but not least, I am going to put on my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. I absolutely love this. And it's kind of like wearing chapstick, but like you also get the lip color. And I absolutely love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, comment below and tell me what other videos you would like to see. Tell me if you like these makeup videos. If you try out this makeup look, you can tag me on Instagram or send the pictures to me on Instagram. I'd love to see them. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you back next week. Bye.